It's a 2004 Chevrolet Avalanche. Built for play, built for work, built for you. This Avalanche is made to meet the flexibility you need throughout the day. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: V8 engine, 4-wheel drive, driver selectable mode, heavy-duty trailering equipment, AM/FM satellite radio, selective service internet access, dual-zone climate control, express open sliding and tilting sunroof, electronic shift on the fly, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and automatic transmission. Consumer Guide describes it as a pleasant highway cruiser that's agile for its size and weight. In a Chevy, the journey matters more than the destination. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.